Hello from Prescott, Arizona. I'm on the Wolf Creek Loop Trail. It's around 5 miles. A little side spur with a waterfall. I was wanting to get out here a little earlier, but, well, it immediately started raining in the morning. Finally, it kind of cleared up, but it is chilly on this December day. And kind of cool. Let's see what this trail holds. But at least there's no snow. It is a very chilly day today. Gloves, got my alpaca sweater, little cotton long sleeve shirt underneath it, and just some white hiking pants. Chilly today, and the rain this morning definitely cooled everything off. But still no snow, so that's nice. Beautiful area. Nice to be in some trees. Oh. And we're above 6,000 feet, I believe. Quite lovely here. Very fresh fire. Fresh enough I can still smell the ash. I'm going to do a little side trail to the waterfall. The creek isn't really flowing much, so we'll see how much of a waterfall it is, but it's not too far. So there it is. There's the waterfall. Oh, very cool. It's not much of a trickle. I'm pretty thankful we did get the moisture we've gotten the last several days. I'm thinking this is barely running this time of year. It's end of December right now. Pretty much all the trail is like a Jeep trail, but there's a little section that's this here behind me. Just a little like a motorcycle track. So that's the trail. It's nice, not a lot of elevation gain, mostly smooth, rocky in some spots. Nice little hike. Be a great running trail if you're in the area. I'm just south of Prescott, Wolf Creek Trail.